Stop! If you just deleted photos, don't use your iPhone. This video will guide you through 2 effective methods to recover your lost iPhone photos. We'll start with the easiest options like the recently deleted album from iPhone and iCloud, then move to powerful third-party tools like FoneLab iPhone data recovery for more serious cases. When you delete photos on your iPhone, they aren't immediately permanently erased. They're moved to the recently deleted album. You can find them on your device or in iCloud, where they stay for 30 days before being removed forever. Option 1. On your iPhone. Step 1. For Method 1, open your Photos app and go to the Albums tab. Step 2. Scroll down to find the recently deleted album. It might be under Utilities. Tap to open it. Step 3. Here you'll see all photos deleted in the last 30 days. Tap Select, choose your photos, and hit Recover. Option 2. On iCloud.com. Step 1. Go to iCloud.com/photos on any computer and log in. Step 2. Click Recently Deleted in the sidebar. Select your photos and click Recover. If you regularly back up your iPhone to iTunes or iCloud, you can restore your entire device from a backup, which will include your photos at the time the backup was made. But you should note that your data on the device will be overwritten. Don't worry, when photos are permanently deleted or your phone is damaged, third-party tools like FoneLab iPhone data recovery can often save the day. Step 1. Download and install FoneLab iPhone data recovery on your Windows or Mac computer. Step 2. Launch the program and connect your iPhone via USB cable. Step 3. Select Recover from iOS device and click Start Scan. Step 4. Once scanning completes, preview and select the photos you want to recover. Step 5. Finally, click Recover and choose where to save your restored photos. And that's it! FoneLab can recover photos even when other methods fail, including from broken devices or without backups. Now you know exactly how to recover your deleted iPhone photos using any of these 2 proven methods. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech guides.